Okay, so I wanted to make this video about the Diablo Carbide teeth blade. You can see the blade right here. And that's it. And head on my Milwaukee, and it did a kick-ass job cutting this 3-inch cast iron. Now this is for a toilet DW cast iron waste that I have to relocate over 5 inches, maybe 4 inches. But it cut through this like butter. I put one of the tricks is you add a piece of tape. People put blue tape. I used white or masking tape because you could see it in the dark. It's typically you're cutting underneath a crawl space. But it cut through here, and I tried to videotape it, but I was more interested in making a clean cut. Took probably about 45 seconds. I slowed down right when I got to the bottom, but I did let the teeth do the blade do the cutting. But at the bottom I slowed down, gave it a little bit of angle back and forth, but it cut it like butter. And the reason why I'm making this video, this blade really kicks ass. Well worth the, I think it was 20 bucks or 15 bucks, but absolutely worth the money. You have to have a powered sawzall when you're doing a cut on cast iron. It can't be a cordless. You're just not going to get enough kick to it, enough amperage, but well worth the money. Again, the Diablo, try to zoom in on this, carbide tip blade. It has to have this front, this type of front of the blade. There's another one, but I don't know if it actually is carbide. But total thumbs up. Recommended if you're cutting cast iron, if you're either a DIY novice or a pro. Again, good stuff on this product. Cheers, well done, Diablo.